Hello! In this video, we will walk you through the basic structure and features of the MetaTrader 5 platform. If you're ready, let's get started. After completing the download, we open the introduction section right where we left off. We will start from the beginning and introduce you to MetaTrader 5. First, let's close all the sections and reopen them one by one as we go along. Everything is done from the View menu. I go to View, and the Market Watch appears. Here, you can see all the products we offer. Right-click and select Show All. Now you can see all the products available. For example, I will drag and drop the euro-dollar pair, and it will appear on the screen. Next, let's check out the data window under View. This section shows details about the charts. If I click here or use the shortcut Ctrl+F, it will display the details of the candlestick we've selected. You can see the high, low, opening price, and the time of this candlestick. That's the main purpose of the data window. Now let's close the data window and go back to View. Next up is the Navigator section. Here you'll find account details, indicators, experts, MetaMarket, and items available for purchase. All of this can be accessed through the Navigator. Moving on to the Toolbox section. This is where you'll find your account information, your available funds, past transactions, emails, economic calendar data, items available for purchase, articles, expert operations if there are any, and your journal, which records all your trades. In the View section, the customer can change the time zone they are in from language whenever they want. Now, let's continue with the toolbars. There are 3 options here. The first one is Standard. Here, customers can enlarge, reduce, and change the color of the chart. They can open a new transaction and enter the New Transaction command here. Then, align the chart to the left and save the screenshot. The second part is in the Toolbars line studies. Here, it can be used to draw on the chart to determine support and resistance levels. The third is in the View in Toolbars timeframes, which refers to the time constraints. When clicked here, it opens a new one. The customer can work in the desired time zone. They can also change the time zone from here. There are a couple of details in the View menu that should be mentioned. The View shows the connection status at the bottom of the status bar. Another one is the View Charts bar section. It shows the charts that are open on the screen here. Also, here you can switch to the charts. It is not visible if we close this. When we click here, it puts all the charts on the screen in order. We can position these 2 under View. Help is also one of the most important titles. After we click on Help, then Help Topics, we can access the details about MetaTrader that appear one by one. Here you can see all the details such as how to open a transaction and how to make a calculation. There is also a chat section. Here, the investor can create an account with his own account and join this community. Here, the investor can buy robots or signals. Another one is on the View menu, the Reports section. It is possible to comment on positions from this section. It is basically the graphical version to see how many positions are open and how much money is held here. Another section is Full Screen. Here the investor can make his screen full screen. The only thing we didn't mention in View is the depth of market. It is possible to see how many buyers and sellers there are at which price. This section is normally not very accurate in the FX market, like the prices shown here. Although this option is not used commonly in the FX market, still it is good to know an option exists such as this. Right now we can see the data is empty. However, if it was a real market, the data would be fully shown here. Thank you for watching the video. We hope to see you in another video about MetaTrader again. Until then, Take care and keep practicing trading.